Yep. About to get a tire patch. Yep. Now I done had a slow leak now for a little bit of time. And I've just been out here running, you know what I'm saying? Doing what I gotta do. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Yep. So this what you gotta do, man. You know, we getting a little patchwork done. You know, we finished up our work early. It's already, what, it's just now 9 o'clock. I'm already back on my side of town. Done finished my load for the day. You know, if you go and see, look, I had just dropped the video, you know, telling you that the load I just came back from, you know. We're gonna make this into another video right here, you know, getting this tire done. You feel me? This your boy DEEentrepreneur, man. Hey, keep up with the trucks, do the maintenance, do everything you gotta do so you can stay rolling, you know. We had a slow leak in this tire, man, and I ain't gonna lie. I was riding on that thing for a couple of weeks, but, you know, I started putting tire in that thing on, you know, I started putting tire in that thing on the daily. I'm like, oh no. Nah, let's go ahead and do what we gotta do. And then by the end of this year, we replacing all the tires, you know. We doing all the tires. All of them. All of them. It's gonna be a nice little tax write-off, man. My guy got me off the rail. Gonna go get that tire right. Yep, he gonna get me right, get my tire done, you know, and then we'll be back soon, man, and we're gonna do all the tires. We're gonna get all new tires, new steers, new drives, everything. Spend a couple thousand real quick, get them put on, you know, but you already know, man, when you're making this money out here, you gotta have your expenses too, so, but don't talk to me about none of that. I'm not your accountant. Talk to your accountant as far as, you know, your expenses and stuff like that, money that you got coming in, money that you got going out, you know, so you stay in compliance with the IRS, Uncle Sam, you feel me? Because the more money you make, the more money they do tax your ass. So just be ready, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, we got expenses out here, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get all tires, you know what I'm saying? Cause we got to write stuff off, you feel me? Hey man, y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at DEEentrepreneur. Y'all make sure y'all like this video. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Man, y'all comment, all that good stuff, man. Y'all make sure y'all get plugged into my Facebook group, man, Black Trucker Excellence. That link will be down below. And y'all make sure y'all grab some of that mud apparel. No, I don't have it on right now. We rockin' Puma, but y'all make sure y'all grab some of that mud apparel. The link for that will be below as well. And we about to get back to getting this tire done. And everybody have a blessed day. This is your boy DEEentrepreneur. And we out, man. Whoa.
I'm a money machine, I'm a countless grain, all this is made for weighing the fishes. All my niggas got guap, getting them digits, my niggas know I'm on